Chapter Connect, Data Source, Creating Mail Merge Document, Creating Recipient List, Select Recipients, Inserting Merge Fields, View the merged data, Printing Letters. Mail Merge is a useful tool that will allow you to easily produce multiple letters, labels, envelopes, name tags, and more using information stored in a list, database, or spreadsheet. When you are performing a mail merge, you will need a Word document. You can start with an existing one or create a new one. And a recipient list, which is typically an Excel workbook. Data source. Data source consists of mailing list, for example, name, address, city, PIN, telephone number, etc. The data is organized in tabular form along with the field names. The data source is associated with the main document, so its field names can be used in the main document, and it becomes easy to merge addresses along with the main document. Main document, it contains the text that we wish to send all the recipients. For example, from letter, mailing label, envelope, or directory. Merge field. It is a data item such as name, address, city, PIN, etc. which instructs MS Word where to insert the data source, names, addresses, information in the main document. Mail merge involves three basic steps: creating a main document, specifying a data source, merging the data source with the main document, creating a mail merge document. Perform the following steps to create a mail merge document. Step 1. Open the document that we have to send to different people. Step 2. Click on the Mailings tab. Click on the Start Mail Merge option in the Start Mail Merge group. A drop-down list appears. Step 3. Click on the Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard option. The Mail Merge task pane appears on the right side of the application window, displaying Step 1 to 6 at its bottom. Step 4. Choose the type of document: letters, email messages, envelopes, labels, or directory that we wish to create. Click on the Letters option to create a letter. Step 5. Click the Next Starting Document under Step 1 to 6 section at the bottom of the task pane. Step 6. Choose the type of setup for your letters. Click the Use the Current Document radio button. The current document becomes the main document. Step 7. Click on Next Select Recipients under Step 2 of 6th section. Another task pane appears showing options for defining recipients list. Creating recipient list. To create a new mailing list, following steps should be followed. Step 1. To create a new mailing list, select Type a New List radio button under Select Recipients section and click on Create option. Step 2. The new address list dialog box will appear on the screen. Click on Customize Columns buttons to add or remove fields. Step 3. Now enter data in the respective fields and click on New Entry button. Select recipients. Enter 3 records of your friends and relatives and click on OK button. You will get a Save Address List dialog box. Specify a name in file name. Text box and click on Save button. Now, Mail Merge Recipients dialog box will appear, in which you will find all the records you have entered. Note that by default, tick marks are placed on the check boxes on the left side of all the records. It gives an indication that the records are selected. If you don't want to send the letter to a particular address, just click on that checkbox to deselect it and click on OK button. Now, click on Next, write your letter, wizard step under step 3 of 6th section. Inserting merge fields. To insert merge custom fields, following steps should be followed. Step 1. On the Mailings tab, click on the Insert Merge Field button in the Merge and Insert Fields group. The Insert Merge Field dialog box appears with the fields you have created. Step 2. Click on the fields that you intend to add. Step 3. Then click on the Insert button. Similarly, insert other fields into the document. Step 4. Click on Close to close this dialog box. The selected fields appear in your document one after another horizontally. Step 5. Separate the fields by pressing the Enter key. CyberFact. For moving between the fields while typing the information, Tab key can be pressed. View the merged data. You can check whether MS Word has picked up the data source according to the merged fields or not by viewing it on the screen. Step 1. Click on the Preview Results button in the Preview Results group on Mailings tab, or Click on Next, preview your letter, wizard step under Step 4 of 6 section. Step 2. The first record will be displayed. Click on the Next Record button in the Preview Results group to view the next record of the data source. Printing letters. To print your letters, following steps should be followed. Step 1. Click on the Finish and Merge button in the Finish group on the Mailings tab. Step 2. Select the Print Documents option from the drop-down grid. The Merge to Printer dialog box appears. To sum up, Mail Merge is a feature that allows us to merge a document file with a data source file to create multiple personalized copies. The three main steps